Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, Apple, Amazon, and Google. And this time we're doing a 10-minute and the 60-minute time frames and a couple of intraday trades that we took on these names for some nice profits during our intraday action or for my paid members at StockBookie.com. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to go to my website too, StockBookie.com. You can sign up for a free membership. You get some of my videos. And YouTube, I post my videos too. But my private members get my daily stuff and all my trades from my private Twitter feed. So let's go over these trades real quick. The SPY, today we took that trade, guys. Guys, we took it, check this out. We took it off the second candle, almost the high of the day. We bought puts, 370. We sold half at 455. We sold the last half at 524. These went to $7. I like to take profits and just run, guys. I took the profits and ran. These are my posts for my private members on my Twitter feed. $30 a month, guys. All right, so that was one of them. And this is the area right here. We knew we had some resistance right in here. So anywhere up in here and then maybe a pierce of. Even if we went up a little bit more, I would have added more. Didn't need to. Boom, came right in. We were out and done. Like I said, these went to $7, maybe even more than that. Last time I checked, I think the high was $7.20. So other than that, the SPY trade worked out really well for us. And then we moved on to the next one. So Apple, guys, that's our next trade. Today we knew right in this area here, 211 to about the 214.15. There's going to be good resistance here. You have a gap fill right there. You have the high pivot there. Look at that, almost to the top, guys. We're almost right there. So you knew somewhere in this area here you were going to start doing something, you know, looking at it technically. So right here we knew, okay, we started adding to this one and we knew it's Apple. So you got to make sure you have a little bit left in the tank just in case if this thing goes up against you. It is Apple, guys, and you know, buy the dip mentality. So let me pull my trade in here. So we took short shares of Apple at 211.70 as it was going up today. And then the 213.08 area, which we knew if it was going to pierce that, there could possibly get something out of it. So if you look at the, go back to the chart. So the high of the day was 213.65. Our last entry was 213.08. So we almost added off the high. We got an average price of, off the top of my head, it was like 212, I don't know, 50 right in there, 212.50. I don't know, somewhere in there. So I knew at 210 or so 80, I got $2 on the trade. I know how many shares I got. I'm cutting half of it. All right, let's go back. So this one here was a pretty quick trade. Boom, in here 211.70, 213.08, half out at 210.80. Another half of the half at 209.85. The last quarter position 208.75. So we got an extra buck and a buck on the second and third half. So, and then we were out. So that was another trade, guys. In and out. Nice pullback. Look at the chart. It even went further, guys. We knew 206 was the next area. It went down to 206 down in here. So we could have got a couple more bucks. But for me, guys, Apple, it could have easily went click, click, held this low right here because we knew right at that low, right around 208.44, you're going to get some support. So see how it hit it there? Bounced right back up and then on its merry way down. So I was like, you know what, I'm taking it because if it holds this double bottom, next thing you know, this thing's ripping heads off. So in and out. Every time I cover it, it usually goes lower. So if you are a member, you know the rules. All right, so that was a pretty good trade. Let's go to Amazon. Now Amazon, you know, this one came against us a little bit. It did pull back. We should have just pulled it off, and then it pulled back again here, and we should have cut it. So we saved, here, let's show you the trade right here. This is right before the market closed with Apple going stuff. So we were short shares at 1665.50. We added more at 1670. We knew these were areas of resistance. We knew that, hey, we had to add a little bit more just in case. $5 higher, we did it. So we averaged out right in the middle, basically, at 1667.80. I try to get those prices in there as fast as I can, depending on this trade. Sometimes, you know, it just goes so fast. I'm trading, typing, trading, watching the stock. But anyways, average price was 1667.80. We covered half at 1657.67. And then the other half, it went up on us, but we still made a little bit on this one. It was only $1 on the second half, but I'm not holding this due to Apple ER because I'm taking the money and going. That's it. Thank you very much. But you know what? We still got $10 on the first half and $1 on the second half. But overall, we'd get about what, $5 on the trade or whatever. So even if you had 100 shares of this, that wasn't a bad trade. Even 50 shares in and out. So you know, and some of them go further. This one, the low of the day on Amazon was 1651. So if you had the gonads to hold this thing, you could have got another 10. You know, actually, well, no, actually another 7. So which is yeah, but you know, it's just the way it is. I didn't want to go into that because Apple could have easily went up and then we're done on this trade. So I'd rather get out and say thank you very much. All right, let's look at the last trade we had. Let's move this one out. Let's look at the Google L. So the Google L, guys. All right, so the Google L, we took this one on the 31st, which was back here. Okay. And we knew right up in this area that was going to be good resistance. Okay. Technically, that was the area going up through lunch, going into the last hour of the day, or last 2 hours of the day. I believe the SPY pulled back too. So everything on these trades have to work with the SPY. It's an overall market trade. Markets pull back, these will pull back. It's just pretty simple as that. They move up, they'll move up. SPY was most likely moving up here. SPY started downturning right there. So we took the trade. Here it is, posted on my private Twitter feed. $30 a month, guys. Short Google shares 1105.50. We covered half at 1100. And we took the last half at 1095. So we got 5 on the first half, 550, and then 1050 on the second half. And everyone should be out of Google. Short shares trade. All right. So 1095 we got out of that day. Where'd it go to? It went even lower, 1090, and then the next day went up. Kind of shake everybody out. Oh, and then boom, right back down. And this time it went to 1078. Not that we would have been in this trade, but gosh, if you would have held it, a quarter position, you could have got a little bit more. But you start getting cute in these markets and stuff. Take the $10 on the second half and say, thank you, Google. We'll see you next time. So that's what we're watching for in these stocks. Quick pullbacks, intraday, live stream, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, guys. Subscribe. So when I go live on a public stream, these are some of the trades that we catch. And then I'll bust your chops about, hey, give me $30 a month. You just made $500 on this trade. You could pay for a year subscriptions with my membership and get 20 more trades just like this. Guys, we've been killing it. We have 70 trades in the last couple of months with a bunch of winners. Watch for that video. I'm waiting to hopefully I could get about 10 more winners and then I'll make that video too. We've been killing it for a couple months here, guys, at StockBookie.com. And don't forget to like the video. Send me email at stockbookie@gmail.com. Let me know your thoughts. Maybe you're looking at some other stocks. I could do that. And don't forget to sign up at my website too, stockbookie.com. There's a free section and there is a paid membership section. And that's where you get all these trades intraday on my Twitter feed. And you can't ask for more than that. The last couple of weeks have been great, guys. We've been just killing it. So a little bit more intraday stuff on the 10-minute and the 60-minute charts. We line it up with the daily sometimes, but intraday scalping, it's more done on a short-term time frame basis. So, all right, guys, if you want to learn more about technical analysis, check me out. I've been doing this stuff for a long time. We've been just killing it lately, especially in these volatile markets. So, all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless. See you on the charts.